Okay guys, so welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to check your sign-in activities on your TikTok. You want to know everything about how you sign in, and there you'll be able to see if anybody has apps as hacked your account. You want to see all the sign-in activities on your TikTok. So let's get started. What you need to do is open up the app. Once you open up the app, click on this your profile, and after that click on this your three line, then click on settings and privacy. Just scroll down. Once you scroll down, then you need to do is click on account. So now what you need to do after that, click on your activity center, then click on activity center. And also after you click on activity center, scroll down, and you're going to click on your account. Once you click on account history, then you're going to see everything including your sign in and your account that is being your logout and other things like that. So you're going to find everything, the account that you used to sign in your account, the time, the date, and everything about your activities on your TikTok is going to listed here. So guys, if you find this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.